3 easy steps to audit your Klaviyo account. With every account, I start by focusing on 3 main buckets: flows, campaigns, and sign-up forms. Now let's look at a few examples. Example 1, 0 to 10% from Klaviyo. These are accounts that are generating anywhere from 0 to 10% in revenue from Klaviyo. Now, take a good look at this situation. This account isn't sending any campaigns and has only 3 of the core flows. Now, let's compartmentalize it into our 3 buckets. Flows. They're missing most of the core flows, which could add an additional 5 to 10% in revenue. Campaigns. They're not sending any campaigns, another 5 to 10% in potential revenue increase right there. Pop-up. They're not optimizing their pop-up signups. We'd want to see at least a 3% sign-up rate. Now let me show you another example. Example number 2, accounts that are making anywhere between 10 to 20% in revenue from Klaviyo. This account here has the same 3 core flows, but it also sends campaigns frequently. Flows. As I said, they're missing a few of the core flows, and they could add some advanced flows that could potentially add an additional 5 to 10% in additional monthly revenue. Campaigns. They could send more campaigns from their account, preferably leveraging more segmentation. Pop-up. Their sign-up rate is fair, but we still want to aim for 3% or higher. Example number 3, 20% and more from Klaviyo. Now let's look at an account that's making over 20% in revenue from Klaviyo. Flows. They have plenty of flows, and most of them are making a good amount of revenue per month. Campaigns. They're sending 2 to 3 campaigns per week, which is great, leveraging different campaign topics such as sales, giveaways, educational emails, and new product releases. Pop-up. Their pop-up is performing extremely well. Nearly 10% of their website visitors become subscribers. You definitely want to aim for that 8 to 13% in sign-up rate. How to improve your Klaviyo account. Now, do any of these scenarios reflect your store's current situation? Luckily for you, if that's the case, we've got some simple strategies you can apply to revert these situations. Just pay close attention to the next section. How to go from 0 to 10% in revenue. Flows. Turn on your 3 new customer flows, aka your core flows. Campaigns. Send some campaigns each month around different topics. Pop-up. Turn on your pop-up. How to go from 10% to 20% in revenue. Flows. Adding your conversion and retention flows and ensuring that your new customer flows are optimized. Quick note, flows are not a set and forget situation. You should check on them and A/B test them frequently. Campaigns, sending enough campaigns. We want to aim between 1 to 2 campaigns per week. Quick note, but only if your list allows that, meaning you're getting a consistent open and click-through rates from your emails and ensuring deliverability is solid. Here's a quick resource for the deliverability benchmarks that Klaviyo provides us with. You definitely want to aim for that gray row at the top. Pop-up. You should optimize your pop-up to 10% sign-up rate. How to go from 20 to 30% and higher in revenue. Flows. Having enough flows. For this account right here that generates about $1 million a month, Klaviyo generates about 20% of their entire store revenue, which is about $250,000 each month coming from email marketing. Campaigns. Sending enough campaigns around different topics. Sales, educational emails, giveaways, and more. Pop-up. Maintain a high sign-up rate, anywhere between 8 to 13% from your pop-up, which indicates good engagement. There you have it. Get ready to level up your email marketing game and unlock your full potential. By the way, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below in the comment section and we'll get back to you ASAP. I'll see you in the next video.